Hey guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Game 1 walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy the game. Here it is. Okay, so this is a minefield. The bombs will start blinking red before they explode. Alright, so we have to collect a bunch of not infobots, we have to collect a lot of gadget bots here. And you've got to remember to run away farther than you would normally from the explosive boxes, because, that was close, because you have a tail of gadget bots. So you have to remember to run away sooner than you would normally. We've got to go this way. Alright, now this is kind of a puzzle part of this level. We have these little laser blasts. See, like that little light beam right there? You cannot hit that. You cannot let that touch you, okay? You can't let it touch the gadget box either. So, and they can't hop up where the laser would miss them, so they have to go up these little ramps right here. But the laser can also come down these little ramps right here. Come on. Are you coming up? Whoa. As you can see, I did not see that one coming. So it was painful. Not really to me, but to Clank it was. Okay, so I'm going to put these guys in a safe location. I think this is a safe location, and I'm going to tell them to wait so I can get down with that. Okay, so let's see. They're gonna have to follow me. No. Well, he just died. And that's not a good thing. So if that does happen, it is okay, not best, but okay. So I can just tell these guys to wait. All you really need to do as Clank is to stay on high surfaces, because the light can't go up rails, it can only go down. So if that does happen, all you really need to do is go and recollect all of the gadget bots. Since most of them died, then they should be easy to find. That was close. I'm not exactly sure where all these mines are coming from. I feel like Jesus. Follow me and you will become a fisher of men. There is no way that I am anything like Jesus. But I feel like it. Come on, little guys. I'm gonna go over here and grab some bolts. Alright, now where does the leader come? Excellent! They came right to me. That's cool. It's also very good. Okay, so let's see. We have to go this way. Hopefully they don't die this time. Excellent! They did not die. Alright, my little gadget box, let's go. Do not fall off the edge. They normally will not, but you might, and that will reset you to the beginning of this level. Well, maybe not the beginning, but it'll reset you where you do not have all these bots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey guys! Hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Game 1 walkthrough. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on them. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.